recording now.
Okay, this is game 2. I win the first game.
And they sided.
Yeah, we sided. We decided to side.
Side.
Draw 2, mill 2?
Yep.
Oh, wonderful.
Well, that's really good.
3 lights in the grave.
Oh, damn, he's going double. He's going ham.
Draw 2, mill 2?
What does ham mean?
I don't know. Like,
Something about poop.
yay. You know the feature for you.
Like, your mills suck.
I don't
Shut
auto
up,
lose
man.
to dragon, so. Oh, well. He's going through his deck.
Exodia.
6 cards in your hand.
That's a bad idea.
Now Mike has Exodia.
Vanish that dark. Do you have any darks in your graveyard?
No.
Oh my god, he has no darks in his graveyard.
Leave me alone. Effect.
Now he's away. Yeah, that's fine. Sure.
That's annoying.
What do you got in here? Yeah, good cards. Show me that red eyes. Do it. Show me it.
Go ahead.
Draw card. Cards in hand?
5.
Damn. It's a lot of cards.
Did you make Thunder and Dragon viable? That would be funny. Mike would run it.
Dark hole.
Search.
Sure.
Veiler.
Search for one.
Yeah.
Summon Haiku.
Veiler.
Set 2 back row?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Why no attack?
Oh, fuck you.
Why didn't you attack with Kaiku?
If he has Gores,
Gores sucks.
Alright, next, shut up.
he can't remove from playing anything in his graveyard.
Hate Gores.
I got the Kaiku.
Ooh, what does Mike want to do?
That's why Dark Hold, because I was going to remove from play both his darks. You can't remove.
Why not?
Kaiku.
Oh, shoot. I don't know his effect.
You can't remove from play any cards in your graveyard. Whenever he does damage, I get to remove from play 2 cards.
Okay.
So basically, he's the nuts.
Activate effect to negate
Okay.
the special summon.
Sure.
Effect.
That's dumb.
Lol.
You have a...
Veiler.
Oh, that's stupid. I'm in trouble.
Where are the microphones on this?
It's... Oh, wait. Are you covering it?
Oh.
Wait. I think you are.
Whatever, it doesn't matter. Cut.
As long as they can hear, we'll watch it back.
I'll go for 700. Set 1. Go.
Draw a card. So.
Wait, is it right here?
Oh, shit. Scoop.
Yeah? Alright.
Oh,
I should have
game
a
2 goes to Chaos Dragons.
He had double Veiler in his hand.
I went through 3 the whole game.
Okay.